Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Anna Nicole, and as you can tell by the title, today's video will be a decorating video. I've been waiting for so long to film this video, and in today's video I will just be showing you all me decorating my apartment for fall. I'm so excited for fall. The only part about fall that I don't like is how dark it gets. It gets dark so soon now, so it's making vlogging so much harder. But yes, so right now I'm going to show you the few clips that I got of me shopping for fall decor. So roll that. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It looks like I'm starting the vlog so late in the day, but I'm really not. It's just, it gets dark now earlier, so I don't know what I'm going to do, but yes, it looks like I'm starting the vlog off, it looks like it's like 9 o'clock right now, but it's not. It's only 7 o'clock. But anyway, today's video is shopping for and decorating my apartment for fall. I feel like it's time to get into the festive spirit, and the only way to do that is to spend money I don't have on things I don't need. So right now first I'm going to go to Plato's Closet so I can get a little bit of more money to spend, and then I think we're going to go to either Dollar Tree and Target first, and then Walmart. It's so dark. Hey guys, I am at Plato's Closet right now. I just walked in, I brought my clothes in there, and she said it would probably take around 10 minutes before they tell me whether or not they're buying anything and for how much. And yeah, hopefully they do, because I would really prefer to spend that money instead of swiping my card. Like, please. But of course I will let you guys know everything. And then right after I leave here, we are going to Target. Yo, it hasn't even been 5 minutes and they already texted me. It sounds like it's looking like I'm about to spend my own money. Watch. Update, they actually did buy something from me. All the things I knew they would buy, they bought. So I'm happy about that, and now I have some money to spend, and I don't feel as bad for spending unnecessary money on fun things. So yeah, now I'm going to Target, and I'm going to try not to make this part a montage, but also, I don't know. We will see. I am rushing because they actually close in like 30 minutes. I could have sworn they had more Halloween stuff than this. Oh, the pillows are cute. Wait, I actually kind of like these. I might get these, or get one. Okay, I was looking at these, and I'm not sure like what my color scheme is yet right now, but I think I'm gonna do like that blue, this white, and this orange color, just because I feel like that will look good together. And I don't want that, but like I also like this one right here. I don't know. Wait, should I do this instead of this? I think I am. Vote in the comments below if I made the right decision about doing this one instead. When I first got this idea, I was debating on if I should do something like cheesy like this, you know, instead of, you know, something more festive. I mean, you know, this is more like Thanksgiving fall, and that's more like just only Halloween fall. Look at all the candy. Am I the only one that kind of misses being younger and going trick-or-treating? Oh, someone send me I will love you forever if you send me a candy bag. Like, you might think I'm kidding, but I'm actually not. Like, I would actually love you if you sent me a candy bag. Oh my goodness, look at all the costumes. Aww. I already know what I'm being for Halloween, so comment your guesses down below, and I want to see who gets the closest. Like, what do you think I'm going to dress up as for Halloween? So I left Target. I got some stuff from Target, and then I walked to Dollar Tree, and now I'm leaving Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree was a bust. There was literally nothing in Dollar Tree. So now I am going to Walmart to see what I can find. literally missed out on some stuff from Target just because I waited so late to start this video, which is why I started the video when I did, and it was like pitch black, and I decided not to put it off anymore because I knew I was missing out on some stuff. So yeah, I'm happy about the things that I did get, and I think I will have to extend this video a little bit just so that I can have time to go to like TJ Maxx and Marshalls, or not Marshalls, TJ Maxx and Home Goods, and see what they have there too. There's a good bit in this Walmart, so I'm pretty happy about that. Not everything fits my color scheme, so that actually narrows down the options too. But let me just say, here's another moment when a smaller apartment comes in handy, because I'm spending way less to fully decorate my apartment compared to everybody else. Pillows everywhere are so expensive, and I really don't think these pillows are worth it. I feel like, I mean, this is cute. Like, this is cute, but I feel like you could get like cuter ones or universal that you don't have to just use them for. And now, yes, I will be finally decorating my apartment. I still have some things to get for fall, but yeah, I'm just going to show you what I got right now, and then as the season changes, we will continue to decorate. So this is some of what I got to decorate my apartment. I'm going to give you all a haul of this right now. It is literally so hot. I've been running around. This is not straight. It's about to get on my nerves. I don't know. But yeah, I've been running around, so I am so hot. But as you can see, I only have like these sleeping pillows on my bed right now. So I got some brand new pillows for my bed. They're just plain white. I went with white because fall doesn't last for very long, and eventually I will be decorating again for Christmas, and I figured I could just keep those same pillows. So yes, I got plain white pillows from TJ Maxx. Also from TJ Maxx, I also got this blanket. I wasn't sure. I saw an orange blanket, but it wasn't like burnt orange, so I just went for this one, and I wasn't really sure how it would look with my things, but if I don't like it, then I could just take it back and get the orange one. It wasn't burnt orange enough for me, like for the season, so I just went with that one. Also from TJ Maxx, I got this pumpkin. It's a ceramic glass pumpkin. Here's the bottom. And here's the top. It just sits like this. I'm not exactly sure where I'm going to put this. Maybe like on the countertop right there. And I'm thinking I'm just going to put some candy in here. I feel like that's perfect for the times. But yes, again with this blanket, I figured this brown blanket would look better with this orange pumpkin than like a burnt orange blanket. Like the oranges weren't matching, so I went with that one. And then yesterday, as you saw in the last few clips, I went to Target, and I got this Thankful throw pillow. I like the blue. I like the different colors for fall. So yes, I got this throw pillow, and then I also got these, what are they called? The things that sit on the oven to make your apartment or home look homey. So I also got this, and I was excited to see that this brown kind of matches with this brown blanket as well. So I mean, I think I did really good not knowing like what matched what, you know. And then I also went to Walmart, and I got these fake pumpkins that I will just place out. I'm not exactly sure where I will place them, but yes, I just got these fake pumpkins, and there are also some pear. There's also a pear in there. I don't really know what this one is, but yeah. And from Walmart, I also got this ceramic glass thing. It says bless. I thought this was really pretty. I was thinking I could put like incense sticks in here, or maybe like white flowers. I'm not exactly sure just yet. Oh gosh, did I just crack this? I feel like I just cracked this. Also from Walmart, I got a new fragrance warmer. I have one, but the light bulb blew. I mean, I could have just gotten a new light bulb, but I just went ahead and got a brand new fragrance warmer because this was easier to find than the light bulb. So I will be melting some fall scents, and I was thinking I should get a candle, but I'm not exactly sure. Like, I feel like it's easier to decorate a little bit and then go get more stuff if I need to than to just buy a bunch of stuff that I don't really need, you know? So yes, now let's just get into this decorating part. Okay, this is what we have so far. I just kind of moved the photos around and then put this right here and put this right here. I'm really thinking like incense and this would be really pretty, but I really have no idea how to set this up. And what is this? If you know like what in the world that is, comment down below, but I think this is pretty. And then over here, I wanted to keep my @sign out for obvious reasons, and I wanted to keep the hand sanitizer out for obvious reasons, but I kind of like this sitting like this. I don't know how to sit this, and I kind of don't want to tilt it over like that just because what if it falls? With my luck, that would definitely fall. But I have this little tiny pumpkin right here. I'm not trying to go too crazy on the pumpkins just because I know I'm going to do some pumpkin painting like soon. So I will have like a painted pumpkin in here, but yes, that's what I have so far. Now with these, I think I like this one better than this one. So I think I'm going to replace that looking thing with this one. I love this blanket. I love the switch. It is so soft, and I think it looks really nice with the blue right there. Now, I was thinking I could get some leaves to go around there. Comment down below if I should get that, but I do have some fall color lights that I think I'm going to switch these out for, so let's go. Oh wait, what am I doing? Time lapse. So basically what you just saw me do was try to string those lights up here, but they're too short to go up here. So now they're just kind of just chilling back there, and I don't know, that's kind of cute. But let me know if I should just take them and put them on the window that's behind me, because that's the other option. That's the only other option. I mean, or I could just string them across there, across the top of there, but let me know, help me out. Should I just leave it like that? But anyway, I also found this randomly in like a box of things as I was looking for these lights. And I don't know, I think I wanna hang this up and do something. Like this definitely does not fit my vibe like at all or matches the style I'm going for, but I think like a Polaroid, 3 Polaroids would be super cute on here. So I might do that. I don't know. We will see. In the meantime, I know for a fact it's time to make my apartment smell like fall. Honestly, fall scents might be the best part of, like, might be my favorite part of fall. Just like the, what is it? The pumpkin spice smell, the apple. Oh my goodness, everything smells so good during fall. So that honestly might be my favorite part. And I'm excited to make my apartment smell like this. If I could get this open. But yes, another thing I was thinking about was I have so many Polaroids. Like I have a huge stack of Polaroids. What if I like put them there? Or what if I had like 1, 2, 3 pictures here, you know? Just to make that look a little better. But yeah, here's the new one. It's very simple. Nothing too special. And here it is, plugged in. I think it's so pretty. I love the little stars coming off of it, but can't wait for that to melt and for my apartment to smell like apple. So I ended up hanging this up and I actually like it. Like you can barely see the tape. I didn't want you to be able to see tape at all, but you can kind of see it. Maybe I could see it because I know it's there, and now you can see it because I pointed it out, but I actually like it. I think it's so cute. And these are the photos I chose. They look the most like fall and like fun. So if you watch the State Fair video, that's from the State Fair, that's from the State, or sorry, that's from the, not the State Fair, but it's kind of like a State Fair. I'm just gonna call it State Fair because I don't remember what it's called, but that's from that video, and that's from the same video. This is from Tampa with my sister, and this is from Tampa as well, and this is from the Cincinnati Reds game. If you watch that video, all of these are videos that you can check out on my YouTube channel. But yes, so these are the Polaroids that I chose. I will probably have new ones because, fun fact, I'm going on a trip the day after I film this. Once this video is up, I will already be at my destination. So stay tuned for that video, but yes. And as for the rest of the room so far, I love the way it's looking. I have my diffuser on over there in the corner. You can barely see it. Honestly, I think I'm going to move these books down to a basket down there so you can't see it at all. And I'm thinking I want to put like my old vase with some white flowers right there. And this is what this looks like. I'm thinking I want 1, 2, 3 photos right there and some leaves across there. Let me know if I should do that down below. But yes, I love the way the rest of this looks. I love fall most of all. That's so pretty. I love that. And I love the way this looks. I think well, actually no, I'm going to add more to it just because like I said, I have pumpkin painting and all that stuff coming up. But yes, and then some incense here. So I have a little bit more to do when it comes to the decorating, but this is what I have so far. So yes, that concludes this video. I'm going to give you all one last look. I'm going to turn the lights off so you can really see the lights and everything. So this is what we have so far with all of the pumpkins and everything right there. I definitely, now with the lights off, I definitely want to get some lights up here. Maybe more lights that look like this right up here. But yes, this is what we have so far and I love it, especially this part. Honestly, this is probably my favorite part and I was not sure if I was going to even like it, but I like it and I think it's so cute. So yeah, that concludes this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all right back here next time with another video. Bye guys.